Hi, welcome to Nepal Digital Education. Today in this video series, we are going to run our fourth program of control statement. So let us look at the program. So we have to check the entered number is positive, negative or 0. So we have number and we have to check the number is positive, negative or 0. So by using conditional statement we can easily print this program. So we use if then else statement in this program. So first of all, let us look at the syntax of this statement. So simply the syntax of this statement is if boolean expression first, then statement block first, else if boolean expression second, then statement block 2, else statement block n in last end if. It means that we have to check the number is positive, negative or 0. So if our condition, if our number greater than 0, then print what? Positive. Else if number is less than 0, then print negative number, else print 0. So this is the syntax of the if then else statement. So just by using if then else statement we can easily solve our program. So let us look at the program. So first of all, write the CLS. So first of all, we need one number. So to enter the number, we use input command. So input, enter the number. Suppose the number is n. If we enter any value, then it is stored in variable n. So simply our syntax is if, then check the condition. If number is greater than 0, then greater than 0 means 1 2 3 4, no, greater than 0, then print positive number, positive positive number. Else if number less than 0, then print negative number, negative negative number. Else print 0. And last we use end if then. So this is our program. So run it. Use shortcut key to run the program, that is F5. So enter the number. So suppose our number is 5, so positive number. Check once, enter the number. Suppose our number is -4, so negative number. So our program is right. So thank you for watching this video.